Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to discuss a concerning issue: the rising cost of car insurance rates in 2023. Car insurance is an essential expense for millions of drivers across the country, but the increasing cost of coverage can be a financial burden for many. In this speech, I will explore the reasons behind the rise in car insurance rates and discuss what we can do to manage this growing problem. Point 1. Of the main reasons for the increase in car insurance rates is the rising cost of car repairs. The cost of car repairs has been steadily increasing over the years, and this trend is expected to continue in 2023. As cars become more complex, with advanced technology and safety features, the cost of repairing them has also increased. The cost of replacement parts, labor, and diagnostic equipment has all contributed to this rise in costs. Another factor contributing to the increase in car insurance rates is the rising cost of medical care. Injuries sustained in car accidents can be costly to treat, and medical expenses have been rising faster than inflation for many years. When insurance companies are required to pay out for medical expenses resulting from car accidents, this cost is passed on to policyholders in the form of higher premiums. Moreover, distracted driving has become a growing concern in recent years, leading to a surge in car accidents. With the increasing use of smartphones and other electronic devices, drivers are more distracted than ever before. Distracted driving leads to a higher risk of accidents, which in turn leads to higher insurance claims and, ultimately, higher premiums. Additionally, insurance fraud is another contributing factor to the increase in car insurance rates. Insurance fraud is a deliberate act to deceive an insurance company for financial gain. For example, staged accidents, exaggerated claims, and false documentation are all examples of insurance fraud. Unfortunately, insurance fraud is a growing problem that drives up the cost of insurance for all policyholders. Lastly, climate change and extreme weather events are also contributing to the increase in car insurance rates. As we see more frequent and severe weather events, such as floods, wildfires, and hurricanes, insurance companies are forced to pay out more claims for damage to vehicles. This increased frequency of claims for weather-related damage drives up the cost of insurance for everyone. So, what can we do to manage the rising cost of car insurance rates in 2023? Here are a few things we can do. Firstly, it is important to shop around for car insurance. Comparing rates from different insurance companies can help you find the best deal on coverage. Take the time to research and compare different providers, as rates can vary widely between companies. Secondly, consider raising your deductible. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. By raising your deductible, you can lower your monthly premiums. However, be sure to choose a deductible that you can afford to pay in the event of an accident. Thirdly, consider adjusting your coverage. Some types of coverage, such as collision and comprehensive, can be expensive. If you have an older car that is not worth much, you may be able to drop these types of coverage to save money on your premiums. Fourthly, avoid insurance fraud. As I mentioned earlier, insurance fraud is a growing problem that drives up the cost of insurance for everyone. Do not participate in any form of insurance fraud, and report any suspicious activity to your insurance company. Lastly, practice safe driving habits. Avoid distracted driving, obey traffic laws, and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. By practicing safe driving habits, you can reduce your risk of being involved in an accident and potentially lower your insurance premiums. Thank you for watching video.